Free AI tool organizes your chaos folders, lifesaver. Let's be brutally honest. Your digital life is a disaster zone. Your downloads folder resembles the aftermath of a paper hurricane. Your desktop is a pixelated junkyard of forgotten screenshots, mysterious .zip files, and icons labeled Untitled Document 23. Your carefully crafted folder hierarchy? It lasted a week. Now finding that crucial contract or vacation photo feels like an archaeological dig in your own digital landfill. You're not disorganized. You're a digital hoarder trapped in an avalanche of your own making. The chaos isn't just annoying. It's costing you time, sanity, and maybe even that promotion when you couldn't find the quarterly report during the big meeting. But take heart, weary traveler of the file path. A new breed of AI-powered knights in shining armor is emerging from the cloud, wielding algorithms instead of swords, promising to slay the folder dragon and restore order to your digital kingdom. Best of all, some of these digital lifesavers are completely free. This isn't just tidying up, it's a full-scale, AI-driven revolution against clutter. Prepare to meet your new personal organizer, smarter than a spreadsheet, faster than a caffeine-fueled intern, and utterly ruthless with duplicate cat memes. The anatomy of digital chaos. Why your folders look like a bomb hit them. Before we unleash the AI, let's diagnose the disease. Why do our folders descend into anarchy? 1. The I'll sort it later plague. That PDF lands and downloads. I'll move it later, you murmur. Spoiler, later never comes. Downloads becomes the island of misfit files. 2. Naming nightmares. Presentation _final _v2 _edits _jsmith _reviewed _actual final.pptx. Need we say more? Humans are terrible at consistent, logical naming. 3. The black hole of miscellaneous. The folder equivalent of shoving everything under the bed. It starts small, then consumes everything like a digital blob. 4. Duplicate dementia. That hilarious cat video, saved once from WhatsApp, again from email, a third time, just in case. Multiply by 1,000 files. 5. The accidental hoarder. Years of unchecked accumulation. Old project drafts, software installers from 2015, 17 versions of your resume. It's digital sediment. The result? Wasted hours searching. The heart-stopping panic of where did I save that? The sheer mental load of knowing the mess is there, lurking. It's a low-grade, constant stressor in our hyper-connected lives. Enter the AI organizer, a digital Marie Kondo on steroids. Forget manual sorting. Forget complex folder rules you'll never maintain. Free AI tools like FileLu, CleanMyDrive, DropIt, or even clever integrations with Google Drive using Gemini or ChatGPT are stepping in. They don't just move files, they understand them. Here's how they work their magic. 1. The clairvoyant sorter. Upload or point the AI to your disaster zone, desktop, downloads, specific drives. It scans the content of files, not just their names or extensions. A PDF invoice from Acme Corp _2023-10 scan.pdf. The AI recognizes it as an invoice, identifies the vendor, Acme Corp, the date, October 2023, and automatically moves it to Finances Invoices Acme Corp /2023. Boom. Magic. That vacation photo from Greece, detected as an image, recognizes landmarks or uses metadata, and suggests photos, travel Greece /2024. No more IMG _45892 to JPG in a folder called New Stuff. 2. The duplicate destroyer. Using advanced checksumming and content analysis, the AI ruthlessly hunts down identical files, even if they have different names. It presents them to you. Here are 4 copies of annual budget.xlsx. Delete 3. One click, gigabytes reclaimed. It also finds near duplicates, slightly edited versions, different resolutions of the same image, letting you decide which to keep. 3. The renaming robot. Tired of cryptic file names? The AI can batch rename based on intelligent rules. Contract_Acme_2024100 1_signed.pdf becomes the standard. It can extract key info, date, project name, document type from within the file and build a clear, consistent name automatically. Goodbye, document 1.docs. 4. The miscellaneous mercenary. It bravely ventures into your miscellaneous or temp folders, analyses the contents, and suggests logical new homes or deletion for every single file. No folder is safe from its organizing zeal. 5. The proactive peacekeeper, the life-saver. Mode. This is where it gets truly powerful. Some tools offer background monitoring. Dump a new file into downloads? The AI can automatically sort it instantly based on learned rules or content analysis. No more later. Order is maintained perpetually, effortlessly. It's like having a tiny, hyper-efficient digital butler constantly tidying up after you. The life-saver moments, beyond just tidy folders. The benefits go far beyond aesthetics. This is where the life-saver tag truly earns its stripes. Recovering lost hours, sanity saver. Imagine never spending 20 minutes hunting for a file again. That time adds up. Hours per week, days per year, reclaimed for actual work, creativity, or napping. The panic button. Client calls demanding a file right now. Instead of cold sweat and frantic searching, a quick keyword search in your now organized drive yields instant results. Professionalism preserved, heart attack averted. The backup blessing. Trying to back up a chaotic mess is slow and unreliable. Organized folders make backups faster, smoother, and restores infinitely less painful. Disaster recovery becomes feasible. The collaboration catalyst. Sharing a project folder with teammates? An organized, logically structured space makes collaboration seamless, reduces confusion, and prevents the dreaded, which version are we using, chaos. The digital detox. There's a profound psychological relief in digital order. Opening your computer to clean, purposeful folders reduces cognitive load and mental clutter. It feels lighter, calmer, more professional. The comical edge, when your AI organizer gets opinionated. Of course, handing over the keys to your digital kingdom to an algorithm isn't without its quirks and potential for hilarity or mild terror. The overly enthusiastic purger. Analysis complete. I found 1,247 files older than 3 years in projects. Probability of relevance, 0.8%. Recommend immediate deletion. Shall I proceed? Y/N. Did just judge my sentimentality? The confused content connoisseur. Detected file. Strategic _plan _final v2 realifinal.docs. Content analysis suggests high likelihood of existential crisis. Moving to philosophy/midlife crisis docs. Thanks, AI. Thanks. The literal linguist. Find a folder named Hot Stuff. Carefully analyses contents, sales reports. Renames folder to thermally elevated material. Well, technically, the unexpected genre mashup. Your folder of heavy metal MP3s gets renamed to ferrous alloy acoustics based on a rogue keyword scan. Brutal. The who's the boss now moment When your perfectly organized finances folder puts your accountant's own system to shame. Awkward. Important note: reputable tools always ask for confirmation before deleting anything permanently or making major changes. You're the pilot. The AI is the incredibly smart autopilot making suggestions. Getting started. Your lifesaver awaits for free. Ready to ditch the digital despair? Here's your action plan. 1. Pick your AI ally. Research free options like FileLu, Strong AutoOrg, CleanMyDrive, great for Mac download/desktop, DropIt, powerful automation rules, or explore AI features built into cloud drives. 2. Start small and safe. Don't point at your entire life's work immediately. Test it on your most chaotic space, usually downloads or desktop. See how it behaves. 3. Review before you wreck. Especially initially, carefully review the AI's suggestions before confirming moves or deletions. Train it by correcting its mistakes if possible. 4. Embrace the background butler. If available and comfortable, enable background monitoring for key problem areas like downloads. Experience the magic of files vanishing from chaos and appearing in order moments later. 5. Celebrate the clarity. Take a moment to bask in the glory of your organized folders. Breathe deeply. Feel the stress melt away. The future of order beyond folders. This is just the beginning. AI organization will soon extend beyond files, automatically tagging and categorizing emails, sorting browser bookmarks intelligently, structuring notes and research materials, managing cloud storage across multiple platforms seamlessly. The era of drowning in digital disorganization is ending. Free, powerful AI tools are here, not just promising order, but actively creating it with astonishing speed and intelligence. They tackle the tedious, soul-crushing task we all loathe, gifting us back precious time and mental bandwidth. So, stop cursing your chaotic folders. Stop the frantic searches. Stop the "I'll sort it later" lies. Unleash your free AI lifesaver. Point at the digital disaster zone, take a deep breath, and hit organize. Prepare to witness the mundane become magical. Reclaim your time, your sanity, and your sense of digital control, one intelligently sorted file at a time. Your future self, calm, efficient, and finally finding everything instantly, will thank you. Now, go forth and conquer the chaos. Your digital peace of mind is just one free click away. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.